So, markets tried to find direction yesterday, but geopolitics had other plans. Hey everyone, it's Wednesday morning, March 25th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Quick note before we dive in. Today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. Learn more about our funds and strategies at amf-capital.de. Alright, let's get started. U.S. stocks moved lower again on Tuesday, as investors were caught between mixed signals coming out of the Middle East. On one hand, there were signs of potential talks between the U.S. and Iran. But on the other, well, the Pentagon is reportedly preparing to send elite troops to the region. And that uncertainty? Yeah, it showed up in the markets. The Dow Jones was down 0.2%, the Standard & Poor's 500 fell 0.4%, and the Nasdaq led the losses, dropping 0.8%, mainly driven by weakness in software stocks. Now things actually got worse into the afternoon. That's when reports hit that the U.S. could deploy around 3,000 troops from the 82nd Airborne Division to the Middle East. And you could almost feel sentiment shift in real time. At the same time, President Trump said the U.S. is, quote, talking to the right people in Iran and that they want to make a deal badly. So, again, mixed messaging, diplomacy on one side, military escalation on the other. And then there's oil. After dropping earlier in the week on hopes of easing tensions, crude prices reversed sharply. West Texas Intermediate jumped about 4%, back above $91 per barrel, while Brent crude pushed toward $104. So overall, markets are stuck in this push and pull between de-escalation hopes and rising geopolitical risks. And for now, that uncertainty is clearly winning. Alright, that wraps up today's Capital Markets Quickie. Join me again tomorrow morning for more market updates. See you then.